Blank Christmas Day, in, on, or at. Tandaan kapag meron tayong specific na holiday na tinutukoy, yung mismong araw na yon na holiday, ang ginagamit natin is on. Okay, so we say on Christmas Day, on New Year's Eve, on Easter Sunday. How about weekends? Anong ginagamit natin? Generally speaking, kapag weekends, at. Pero sa American English kasi, common din yung pagsabi ng on weekends. So yes, pwede ring on dyan. Blank the evening. Since ang evening ay isa sa mga general times of the day, halimbawa morning, afternoon, evening, ang ginagamit natin dito ay in. So you say in the evening. Blank lunchtime. Since ang lunchtime is a very specific time, at ang ginagamit natin pag ganyan. At lunchtime, at dinner time, at break time. Blank the evening of November 13th. Baka may malito kasi yung sagot natin pag general times of the day, kagaya nitong in the evening, is in. Tapos, meron tayong nakikitang evening din dito. Pero tandaan nyo, we use in sa general times of the day, but once ang tinutukoy na natin is yung part of the day na yon on a specific date. Nagsiswitch na tayo to on. Okay? So, on the evening of November 13th.